said, it's flushing slow. It's a pretty weak flush. We're going to be using the rigid auger 6-foot. So it went through pretty easy. Okay, so when I pulled it back there, I thought I saw something come out. If you're ever going to do this, be very careful. You don't know what you're sticking your hand into. I don't recommend anybody do this. I'm going to put my hand in there and see if I can pull out whatever was in there. But I'm going to have to snake it again because I don't know if it just... Okay, there you go. You guys can see it. All right. Looks like some sort of orange toy. All right. So we're going to toss that in the garbage. We're going to snake it once more. See if we get a good flush now. We did it, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time, Taragna.